In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file for Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. And now open this Warner Bros. Interactive Entertainment, Lego Batman, save game, Steam, random number, this ID. Before dropping the save, backup your game progress. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder, name this folder backup. And then try and drop your game progress inside this backup. Now try and drop the 100% save in this location and launch the game. Once you are in game, go to load game and select the 100% complete. And the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.